Hello. So today I'll be teaching you all how to set up your Windows workspace to program C++ using Eclipse. So the first thing we need is the Java runtime environment. So go to Google and type in JRE and click the first link. Download it and install it. So now I'm installing Java. After installing Java, we're going to need to go to Google and type in min-gw. This is the C++ compiler that we're going to use with Eclipse. So go to the mingw.org website from Google, go to Downloads, right there, and while we wait for it to load, we're just going to download it. So here we are at the installation of mingw. Make sure you click download and install. Agree to the license. You're going to install the current package. And you're going to install the G++ compiler, the Objective-C compiler, and min-gw make. This is very important that you click all three of these. Click next. Install it into C/min-gw. Click next and click install and wait for it to download everything. Now before installing Eclipse, we also want to make C++ work in the command prompt. So right now if we type in cmd into the command, into the start bar to open, why is it being so slow? Hurry. There you go. What the heck was that? And you type in gcc, it doesn't work. So we're going to make it work. So what we're going to do is click the start, right click on computer and click properties. We're going to click Advanced System Settings. Going to close that. Drag this over to the side. We're going to click Environment Variables. We're going to scroll down where it says Path and we're going to click Edit. Here we're going to go all the way to the end, put in a semicolon and type in C, just type in what I type, min-gw bin. Click OK, click OK. Okay, and now when we type in GCC, it still doesn't work. That's awesome. GCC. There you go, it works. Now what we want to do is we want to install Eclipse to have, an environment to type our C++ code. So we're going to go to Google and type in Eclipse and go to eclipse.org. We're going to click Downloads. Scroll down where it says Eclipse IDE for C/C++ developers. It's 79 megabytes. And then just download it. After it's done downloading, it's going to open like a RAR file, and it's going to have the Eclipse folder. And that's the whole program. So I opened my C/program files x86, and I'm just going to drag Eclipse into here. So after that, we can go to Eclipse, right click it, and click Create Shortcut. Just drag that to the desktop because we're going to be using that a lot. Eclipse. Okay, now we're going to launch it. If you followed my tutorial completely, it should work. So I'm kind of hoping it works. Let's wait and see. Okay, we're going to create the workspace. I'm going to create it a little bit differently than the default because I don't like the default. I'm going to put it into my documents /workspace. Enter. There we go. And we're going to use that as the default. And don't ask me again. And then we wait and we wait. I'm on my laptop recording this stuff. That's why it's a little bit slower, because I'm gonna use my laptop for school and stuff. So okie dokie. Here we are in Eclipse. You can go through this guide or whatever has tutorials and samples, but I'm not going to do that. So for now what we're going to do is we're just going to double check that everything works. So we're going to go to File, New, C++ Project. And as you can see, the tool chain says min-gw. That means it works. So right now we're going to try creating the Hello World program. Everything's built for you, so we're just going to type in Hello World into the project name next, and you could put in your name and all this stuff and just click Finish. The Hello World, it builds, like I said, everything is made for you. So we have the source file hello world.cpp. double click that to open it. Usually then you'd have to, like, build your project when you're coding your own stuff, but since all of this is done, all we have to do is click run and run as the local, and there you go. In the console this says hello world. Now just to double check, we could be like goodbye world and click run, and you can save it. Right, forgot to do that. Dumb. And it says goodbye world, so goodbye.